Founded in 1997, Sichuan Chenanhui Technology Co Limited started in a modest 70 square meter office in Chengdu, Sichuan. The resources were limited. Our dedication and teamwork laid the foundation for future success. By 2003, we partnered with renowned hospitals like Chengdu No. 1 Orthopedic Hospital and Sichuan Sports Hospital, earning their trust through outstanding product quality and professional service. In 2008, we built our own production facility, complete with advanced digital processing and sterilization workshops. This enabled us to produce high-quality orthopedic implants, including fixation plates, intramedullary nails, and spinal products. Through exhibitions and partnerships, we gained widespread market recognition. By 2019, our products were recommended by leading doctors and adopted by over 40 hospitals. In 2021, we expanded into global markets with QV certification, offering reliable orthopedic solutions worldwide. Today, Sichuan Chenanhui is committed to providing innovative, high-quality orthopedic products to meet the needs of patients worldwide. Together, let's build a healthier future. Sichuan Chenanhui Technology Co Limited, your trusted partner in orthopedic innovation.